Oh, you were.
Ayan, again, a round of applause for Cassie. Okay, manatili po tayong nakatayo dahil kakantahan at sasayawan po natin si Cassie. Ayan, sino ba nakakaalam dito ng thumbs up song? Thumbs up song, may nakakaalam po?
Mumay!
Wala. Okay lang yan dahil tutulong po namin yung thumbs up song. Okay?
Gamit ko na ito eh. Iba rin ko alam mo
Taas
dyan.
po natin ang ating mga kamay. Ayan, taas! Ayan, and then i-shake natin yan. Shake! Para mabuhay natin mga dugo. Okay? Pag sinabi ko po, it's your birthday, itataas na po ating ituturo. At ituturo si Cassidy. Okay? It's your birthday, ituturo lang po si Cassidy. Pag sinabi ko po, where
Sa video ko eh.
sila ngayon?
Picture ka.
McDonald's, and we're gonna do the McDonald's sign. Ayan. Pag sinabi ko naman po, so, arms forward na. Ayan, arms forward and then wave. Ayan. Wave. Okay. Pag sinabi ko naman po, thumbs up.
Hello, Atina!
Para kanino? Para kay Cassidy. Okay, ayan. Thumbs up for Cassidy. And make exciting sound. Sisigaw lang po sila na wow. Ayan. And make exciting sound. Wow. Wow. Okay. And then add one more lang. Ayan. Yes, thumb the floor dalawang beses. Clap your hands. Dalawang beses ito. Ayan. And then shake. And shake. Okay, shake and then shake it all around habang umiikot. Okay, ready na po sila? Hindi pa siya ready? Okay, and then let's start! Clap your hands lang po. So, thumbs up for Cassidy and make it sound. Wow! I want more, stop the floor, clap, clap, shake, shake, and shake it all around. One more. It's your birthday at McDonald's. So, thumbs up for Cassidy and make it sound. Wow! I want more, stop the floor, clap, clap, shake, shake, and shake it all around. Okay, next one. It's your birthday at McDonald's. So, thumbs up. Thumbs up for Cassidy and make exciting sound. Wow! I want more, stop the floor, clap, clap, shake, shake, and shake it all around. Okay, clap your hands lang po. Okay, ngayon ang bukataan natin ng happy birthday song si Cassidy. Clap your hands! Birthday to you.
Happy birthday!
To you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you!
dito sa harapan. Kukuha lang po ng balloons kay Ate Jamie. And then, mag-send po kayo kay Cassidy for your birthday message and like picture taking po tayo. Okay, before we proceed to our 7th